Hi, my name is Dan Marshall. I'm the president of Take It Incorporated, the manufacturers of the BEDSLIDE. And today I'm just going to talk to you real briefly about some of the changes we've made from an engineering standpoint that set BEDSLIDE apart from what we used to be and from some of our competitors. Let's start by talking about our original design that we started in 2000 when we first started building BEDSLIDEs. Worked really well for us. In fact, a lot of our competitors have used the same design and continue to do so. So I'm just going to talk about that briefly. It's a single latch mechanism, used structural steel. We had a bearing tab that we had to weld on here to raise it up to clear most tailgates that don't lay flat. Been a very good design, but it had some complaints with it. It's a little noisy. Using structural steel is kind of rough, a little scaly. Paint didn't always adhere to it as well as it does on a more formed steel. And in the latching mechanism, you get a lot of lateral motion out here at the end. What we're doing now that sets us apart from anybody else is really design something that is engineered, designed with safety in mind, you the consumer, to make sure that we have the best product on the market. Some of these things you don't get to see, you just get to see the top side of it. So I wanted to show you the underside, which is what we call our tech center here. It really shows how this thing's put together. First thing that's biggest and that we heard our customer talking about is they wanted something that's real easy to latch. Real positive, one hand latching mechanism to squeeze. But we've got 2 pins, latch on each side. That gives additional safety. You remove the lateral motion to it. We have safety stops now, or latching stops every 10 to 12 inches, depending on the model. And that's been a real neat feature that we've added. By going with a formed steel that's been laser cut, precision, we're able to get those latches to line up perfectly every time. The paint adheres better, the surface is flatter, smoother, and the product just rolls much, much nicer than what we've seen in the past. We've added a much larger landing pad here. This is 6 inches by 4 inches on each side. That distributes the weight evenly across that floor much better than, again, some of our competitors and the way we used to do that, giving you a much stronger product there. We've added a really neat feature that's exclusive to the BEDSLIDE. That's an adjustable bearing tab that allows you to raise and lower the height of that BEDSLIDE as it comes out over your tailgate. In case you've got a tailgate that's got an integrated handle or integrated step. Again, that bearing tab is located right above this landing pad, giving it the best distribution of weight. So this and many, many other features you can see on BEDSLIDE.com will show you the difference between BEDSLIDE, our competitors, the way we build building product, and the way and our commitment to building products in the future as we move forward. Thanks for stopping by.